Hey everyone, this is a screencast about learn-wordpress.org project I've been working on during last this summer of code. My name is Das. My mentors were John and Jeremy. I also had some help from Chelsea. Um, and I'm going during the next couple of minutes. I'm going to showcase the things I've been working on during last weeks. Well, to explain in a nutshell, Land.wordpress.org is a project that should meet that should solve the problem of training for WordPress.org members, users. And it's based on the BodyPress and component I wrote during last previous summer of code. It was called BodyPress courseware. I added some new functionalities to it during this summer of code, and also created a new theme. Um, well, we are now installing WordPress. I want to switch to the latest version and also get the BodyPress plugin too. So I'm going to create a new configuration file. Okay, this is enough. Great. I will make some changes specifically to mimic a better .org integration. I'm going to change the permalinks. I'm going to create a new page called classes, and I'm going to change this one to be the front page. And now I'm going to install BodyPress. We're going to need pretty much all the components, but those can be cut off if by one request. Okay. Yes. Okay, great. So we have BodyPress. Now I'm going to add my BodyPress courseware. And I'm also going to add the theme I created. Okay. The theme is a child theme for BP default, so it is very light, but okay, activated and theme switched. Some things for the courseware, I'm going to enable it globally, and I also am going to add the integration with some bibliography web services. Well, and here we are. Everything is installed and ready to use to create the learn.wordpress.org project. I will start with a class. I'm a teacher because I'm the administrator. Okay. Okay, so the class was created. You can add users, and from now I'm going to guide you through the things that are required to build the class content, including lectures, assignments, responses. I'm going to explain everything step by step. For to create the content, I'm going to use the Polyglot's handbook. uh, I'm going to try to find a video. uh, that's me. I think I can use this one. Okay, as a course page, you can use any information you want to introduce the students, the users, what it is going to be about, and you can use um, you can use a short video or upload a presentation, anything you want. This should help users to understand the things they are going to learn by joining this class, and the curriculum or prerequisites required for this class. You can also add a book, for example. Mm, yep. And for example, PHP for dummies. Okay. So as you can see, we have our books added. The next step would be to create the lectures. Uh, the component I created, lectures, was a component I created this summer, and this one is meant to replace the previous subcourses component. Lectures can be structured in a handbook like tree-like style, so users can navigate through them back and forth and bookmark these. And I'm going to create a simple some simple lectures. I will need these. We can, for example, we can okay. We can also upload some pictures. For example, the cursor editor is pretty much the same as the WordPress editor. You can have everything you have there already. You can have the Zen mode programming, including uploads. Okay. As you can see, or what else we have in basic WordPress editing screen. I'm going to add one more lecture. Okay, and this will be this one. Okay, let's make it a sub lecture. The last one. I'm adding this content just to be able to show you how the lectures will work actually. Once you are done adding lectures, you can create some assignments. For example, my first quiz. Um, okay, and I'm going to select the lecture. I'm going to use a deadline, and I'll start adding questions. Um, uh, you can add text fields, paragraph fields. Text and paragraphs work like this: you are writing the question, you are setting the question mark, and everything that follows after will be the response. Checkboxes um, mm, uh, work like this. The behind relation project, and we can add here Z, Matt, and Nikolai, and we can check Z and Matt. And the last question I will ask is okay, and I can set up learn-wordpress or track, because that is the correct answer. Okay, great. Once you're done adding questions, you can publish the assignment. You can preview it anytime. And the last component I want to show is the schedules. You can create schedules. Schedules means you can create an event based on the information you have for the class. If you want to meet every student, or you want to set up a date for I don't know, for the midterm or for the final exam. For example, I'm going to use this to create an event last Kirk meetup for this summer. Please join us on free node. I'm going to select the lecture and date, and the main date. Location will be free node, no repetition. Okay, how everything works. Schedule is basically a calendar you can use to display the upcoming events for every student, and you can also navigate it. You have iCal integration, so this is useful to keep on track students with what are you doing. Back to the dashboard, you are a teacher, you can see everything that happens. You have 0 progress so far because you're a teacher, and progress is calculated by the assignments you replied to, responses you left. And to test this as a student, I'm going to create a new user. Test. Okay. Okay. And now I can just log in as the new user and browse the class. I'm able to browse, as I said, the course description, any of the lectures. As you can see, I have the lectures I can be browsed in the back and forth way. So you can just check the next version that is that was set for this course. You can bookmark this lecture anytime. you can join the class to answer the assignments, um, and you can use the schedule to check out the upcoming events or assignments you have. So I'm going to take this quiz. It said that the lecture it was linked to is this one. I can use this for reference, and let's go. I can answer the questions. I know that this tool is GlotPress, but I'll answer wrong, especially to test the responses component. Same for this one. For example, I'm going to check only Meta Nikolai, and here I'm going to answer correct or set them. Publish the response, and the component is smart enough to tell me that there were 4 correct answers and I responded only to 2, and I did wrong at the question what is the name of the WordPress localization tool, and I also checked Math, which is wrong, and I didn't check Z, and it tells me that there is no answer. I can go back anytime and check my response if I want to. But here comes the teacher role, and as a teacher you get a notification every time a user answers one of your assignments. In this case, Mr. Test answered my assignment, and I can check it. I can check the latest responses. I can see that how he did, and I also can change his mark. I can go to gradebook. The quiz component was smart enough to grade me, to give me an automatic grade, which is basically a coverage of the questions and answers available, and I can change this grade if I want to. For example, I'll give 50% and add a new comment. So the first one. Okay. Well, this is done in the following way. Users also receive a notification when the response was graded. The first one was graded automatically, and they received the notification, and this time I graded it, and they can check anytime the changes available in the same minute. If I go to the cursor page to the dashboard, I can see that dashboard changed because I'm a student. It tells me that there is 100% progress so far based on the available assignments and the responses I gave for the assignments. So pretty much I covered everything. I can also check my last bookmark I did, and to mention, there is also a progress based on the grades, but it requires at least 2 grades or something like that to be visible. So yes, this is the pretty much what I was working on during this summer. I'm happy with the results I can see. The cursor got a facelift. I created a beautiful theme to integrate with the WordPress.org web services, and I'm really looking forward to see it live on the .org infrastructure. Thanks for Jane for giving me a chance to work on this, and to all the guys that helped me during this summer, and for the feedback and everything. Well, so far this is it, and I hope to see you around. Bye.